Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to connect Shopify with Facebook. First thing you need to do, of course, is to create your Facebook pixel. Go to your Facebook Ads Manager, then Events Manager. Click Connect a new data source, then select Web. Choose Facebook Pixel, then click Connect and enter a pixel name and click Create Pixel again. Add your Shopify store URL when prompt. Now in Events Manager, when asked to integrate, choose the Use Partner Integration option, then select Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then click Settings, Apps and Sales Channels, then customize your store. Search for Facebook and Instagram app, then click Add App. From your Shopify admin, open the Facebook and Instagram sales channel, then under Settings, Data Sharing Settings, toggle Enable Data Sharing, then choose a data sharing level like Standard, Enhanced or Maximum. Then select your Facebook pixel from the list and click Confirm. Now go back to the Events Manager on Facebook and use the Test Events tool. Enter your Shopify store URL, then visit your site. Check if events like Page View are firing correctly, and you can also install MetaPixel Helper Chrome extension to confirm. Now your Shopify store is connected with Facebook Pixel, allowing you to track visitor action, retarget customers, and optimize ads. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.